friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to do a review of an eyebrow definer. It's basically an eyebrow pencil. So it is from this brand called Blue Heaven, and if you have read the title, it is called the Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer. So I got this product very recently and I had my eyes on it because it was a fairly new launch. So I'm going to demo this product in the video as well, and also going to talk about it and review it as well. So if you're interested in knowing more about this product, then please keep on watching. Start with the review right away. Like I said, the product's name is called Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer. Now Blue Heaven recently launched some eyebrow definer, or you could say eyebrow pencils. So there is one which I'm going to review now, and it does not come with a spoolie. There's one which comes with a spoolie, and that one is called the Artisto Eyebrow Styler. But that is priced at 150 rupees. But I thought it makes no sense for me to buy that because I already have 2-3 spoolies. The spoolie ke liye extra 75 rupees kyun dena, right? But that's my choice. You could go for that one as well. I have not tried it, so I do not know how it is. Is it the same thing? Is it a different formula? No idea. So did I mention the price? This one is priced at rupees 75. You get 0.45 grams of product, and I went through the ingredient list. So if you're somebody who does not like parabens in your product, this one does contain propyl paraben. So it's up to you whether you want to try it or not. If you do not know about parabens, you can always Google and find out about it. I will not mention it in this video. Now let's go through what they have said. It says it contains natural ingredients loaded with natural vegetable oil that shapes and nurture your eyebrows. A perfect blend of pigment and moisturizer in retractable pencil form makes it easy to use and carry, and slant tip to achieve precise shape of eyebrow. Okay, so a lot of big claims like Blue Heaven always does. One thing to note is that Blue Heaven is a very affordable brand, and their products are fairly good, I would say, especially the lipsticks. I really like Blue Heaven lipsticks. They did have an eyebrow pencil which is a very crappy one. It was like 35 rupees, but it was only available in one shade, and now, as you know, most of us go for dark brown or grey kind of colors. So this one comes in two variants, brown and grey. I went for the brown one. So I'll just show you how the product looks like. So this is how the eyebrow pencil looks like. Now from where you can buy it, you can buy it from the Blue Heaven's website, you can buy it from Nykaa. I got it from Amazon and I paid 66 rupees and 40 rupees shipping, but I'm really disappointed because it was a non-returnable product. Now when I received the product, the tip instantly fell off, and then I was left with this. Now the product is there inside, but it is broken at the tip. So yeah, whenever you use it, then you have to tap it for the product to go inside. So I'm not really happy about that, and I would not recommend you to buy from Amazon. You can buy it from Blue Heaven's website. Now they do charge 60 rupees shipping, and that's the reason why I bought it from Amazon. Otherwise I was ready to pay that much money. But anyway, now that I have the product, I will use it. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So like I was mentioning, do not go and buy it from Amazon because not only me, many of the people had a similar experience, and they left a review saying the exact same thing that I said and experienced. So you can buy it from Blue Heaven's website, or you can buy it from Nykaa very easily. Now when it came also, the seal was not it was kind of cut out. I don't know what it is, but since I spent money on it, and I think it's okay, I sanitized it and I have used it once, so I have no issues at all. So yeah, that was a little bit story behind this product. So if I have to open the product and twist it up, this is how it looks like. So it says it has a slant tip. Now obviously because it is broken, so it's kind of become flat at the top. So it had a kind of a slant tip. Now I have used a lot of, I would not say a lot of, but I have two eyebrow pencils, and the one is the most popular one, which is the Miss Claire one. I really like this one, and see, I have used it for so many times, but still pura bacha hai. In fact, almost expire hone aaya hai. So this, I think you get it for 75 rupees, I guess. I'm not sure about the recent price. I'll mention it here on the screen. And I also have this 10 rupees pencil which really works well. So this is a Davis one, and iska number kya hai? I think it's 003. So this one works well too. Like if you're on a budget, like these type of pencils, you can easily find it in your local market. I have used it on my brows and no problem. So lately this revolution has come, like eyebrow products, and they're so expensive. I would not recommend those products honestly, because यार इतना खर्चा कौन करता है eyebrows पे. Just buy one product which works for you, and that's more than enough. So coming to the product, I have swatched it on my hand. So this is the first swatch. Here is how the color looks like. It's very similar to this one, and this one is a Miss Claire one. The Miss Claire one is more creamy, and this one is a bit drying, which is a good thing because that way इतना creamy होगा तो लगाने में मुश्किल होगी और जल्दी wear off हो जाएगा. Now it does says it is water resistant, which I kind of agree with because I had swatched it on my hand and I washed it with soap, so it did not come out easily. So in that department, I would say they are absolutely right. Okay, so now that I've discussed the major points about this pencil, so let's go ahead and demo it. Like I mentioned before, the shade I have is brown. You also get it in the variant grey. Now this is how it looks like. I don't want to twist up a lot of it because it might break. So I'm going to look into my mirror and I'll try and come as close as I can so that you can see what's going on. So I haven't done my brows lately. I only plucked the hair from here. I will pretty much do it next month. That's what I've decided. And also my hair, I really need to color my hair, but somehow I'm not feeling like doing it. Anyway, coming to the point, I'm going to apply this eyebrow pencil. So I've been applying very light feather-like strokes, and it's kind of drying, so you will have to really work it in. Because the product I received was not satisfactory, so I cannot say much about that, but the formula seems to be okay I would say. So I am applying a little bit of pressure so that kuch farak dikhe. So as you can see, this one is looking more better than this one, but let's use a spoolie first. So I'm going to apply a little bit more even after running the spoolie over, because I feel that gaps are still showing up. Okay, so I'm right back after filling my brows, and this is how it looks like. I also went ahead and applied some concealer to clean off the edges, and oh my god, it really looks nice. So I think I should start filling my brows, because if you know me, then if you have seen my videos, most of the time I don't do my brows. I am kind of lazy, and I honestly feel makeup is very subjective. It's up to you whether you want to fill your brows or not, and I feel lazy most of the times, I would say. I also feel that once you fill your brows, they look kind of fake, but I think I kind of know how to fill it now, so I'm happy with how it looks. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to be right back and give my final thoughts. Okay friends, so I did a little bit of light makeup, and this is how it looks like. Also, let me come close and show you how my eyebrows look like. So you know what, this product really impressed me because I think my brows look much better. Like I mentioned previously, I'm very lazy when it comes to filling my brows. I think it's a personal thing, but I think most of us now, if you're doing makeup, enhancing and filling your brows has become an essential thing. So I'll try my best to do that in the future. So as I mentioned, I have the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and I have been using this for like 3 or 4 years now, and it's very inexpensive, so this is a good alternative to that. I like the packaging, but if Miss Claire can give a small brush or spoolie, so could Blue Heaven. So yeah, I do not like that they did not give a spoolie, although I have if you are a makeup and beauty enthusiast, you will definitely have 3-4 spoolies. और कुछ भी नहीं है तो आप अपना जूना मस्कारा का भी wand use कर सकते हैं. So I would say this product is really good for 75 rupees. Can you see my brows? Like, they don't look fake at all. It's a very natural look, which I absolutely like. This is how I like my brows to be. I mean, I'm not that person who's going to do 10 steps, Now I do have, these are like this is like the natural shape of my brows. I always keep it in this particular shape and only thread the bottom part because I do not like thick brows. I used to have them at one point of time, but once I went to a beautician, she made it like that, and now it has remained like that, and I think it kind of suits my face. Overall, this product is really good for 75 rupees. I mentioned that it does have parabens, so if you're not okay with that, don't buy it. But Blue Heaven is a cruelty-free brand, so you should go for it. There's nothing much I want to criticize about it. The formula is a bit drying, but that's perfect, you know, for you to fill your brows. Also, you'll have to do like multiple strokes and put a little bit of pressure so that you get the desired results, and then you can set it with your, you know, spoolie. And if you have like a gel mascara or something, you can do that. Now I've already placed an order for an amazing lash and gel mascara, so I'll be reviewing that probably next month. I'm not going to tell you the name of the brand or anything like that, so do subscribe to my channel and wait for that video. So this was my review of the Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer. I hope you found it helpful. If you like my face, if you like my channel, if you like my content, do consider subscribing to my channel. The button is down below. Also hit on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. If you've been watching my video, please try and watch it till the end or for a considerable amount of time. That will really help me in increasing the watch time on my channel. They're very close to 2,000 subscribers, so I would really appreciate if you're watching me and subscribe to my channel. So this is it for today. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.